Hello guys, Assalamualaikum pada ahli Jumaah dunia. Apa khabar semua? Saya harap sehat no? So hari ni kita ada launching KTM SMT 890 bertempat di KTM Premium Kuala Lumpur. So you guys please enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
The KTM SMT 890 is no longer 990.
This is the first, I can say that this is the first 890 SMT launch in South
So kalau
Asia.
hampa berminat dengan motor KTM SMT 890 ni, hampa boleh pergi tengok di KTM Premium Kuala Lumpur ataupun dealer-dealer terdekat dengan anda. Kalau ada depa ada stok lah, kalau ada lah. Pergi tengok-tengok saja ya.
Tidak sedikit deal. Ya, dalam tempoh promosi kita open semua apa yang ada electronic aid akan didapat oleh pembeli-pembeli SMT. So kita cakap tentang
So ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for a re-debut of the KTM 890 SMT. Here we go! Wow! It's really like what Cairo said now, isn't it? It's neither a duke nor an adventure. Now, what noise you make also no use. The bike's noise is the most prominent one in the room. Extended visor for the windscreen. Yeah, those are available if you. Until 109, you only have. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, all the prices already have an owner. 102 taken already. You only have 104 and 109. 101,800. So it's 101 that wins the prize. Where is Alex? Where is Alex? Alex, here we go. The most accurate one at 101. Alex. So ladies and gentlemen, as I explained just now, we only just walk the 101, not the how many cents.
Untuk SMT 890 ni belum on the road no.